Hey you guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Living Life Freely here on YouTube. Full-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I also sell kids' clothes on Whatnot auctions. We have, excuse me, a battle of the boxes. One last set of fun boxes. This is the second one that I've done like this. I'm going to do these two, and I probably will not be ordering these again anytime soon. These have been fun, but as you've been hearing me talk about my videos, I'm really working right now on getting nice pieces in my closet, sourcing nicer pieces. So these have been fun and enjoyable, and I have sold some things from the other box thing that I did. And I might do another couple of these down the pipe, but not anytime soon, just because, like I said, I'm focusing on other things. If y'all know, we are full-time resellers. I do this full-time between YouTube, my Whatnot auctions, and everything else that I'm doing. It keeps me very busy. If you are brand new to the channel, welcome. If you are a brand new reseller to the community, I would love to say welcome to reselling. This is a great time, guys, to be resellers. Now, these boxes came from Georgia. Yep, that's usually where my stuff comes from. And these boxes are like, I think $34. You typically get around maybe 10, 12 pieces. We're going to see what came in these. Put all of this in with my packaging and all that. We're going to dive right in and see what came in these boxes. Get rid of that. Now, if you haven't watched my last fun box unboxing, feel free to go back and watch those. We got some great things on that one, and some of them have already sold. I think I've, if not completely made up my money on both boxes, I am like maybe a few dollars shy. So yeah, that's going to be a great 90-day update. So these battle of the boxes have been fun. Okay, let's see what this is. Looks like we've got some belts. And these do look like they're new with tags. This is brown, style as a cabbie. It's a size medium. I don't know why they're saying that this is brown, because this is not a brown belt. Maybe the name is brown and the style is a cabbie, because this is not a brown belt, it's a black belt. But it is new with tags, and it's got that. So I'll probably put that up for like maybe $15 or something. And then this is some sort of a strap for something. Unless there's something else in here that I'm missing. I don't know what you would use this for. It's Vera Bradley. Okay, so maybe I'll put this up for like 10 bucks or something. Okay, that is that. These fun boxes are fun, but you really don't, you can get nice pieces. Like I said, if you go back and watch my first fun boxes, you can get some nice things. But it really is a catch-22, whether or not you're going to get something. This is something to do with cell phones, I'm pretty sure. As you wish. It's a cover of some sort. So I'll have to look at that further. Okay, it's a PJQB SXS10 red. Oh, so this is probably for like an iPhone. An S10 iPhone maybe? Okay, so there's that. So that's a cover, so I'll probably put that for a little bit. Here's a headband. I do not wear headbands because they give me headaches. And this has no brand whatsoever. Maybe I'll just give that as a giveaway in an auction. Okay, we have a pretty scarf here. Let's see if it has a brand. Machine wash cold, 100% acrylic. It's cute, and it does look to be like new, but there's no brand on it. So if I do list this, there's no brand. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Okay, keep going along. Here we go. Okay, Primark. This is a hat. Cedarwood State, one size. And we are going out of the season, so I might put that up there, but since we're going into spring, we are in spring. Okay, this is something, Old Navy size medium. These look like they're pajamas, maybe? Okay. Maybe like Santa pajamas? That's interesting. This is an interesting box. Wildflowers socks, size large. And 2 more pieces. This is Anna William, Newberry Pert or something. This is in good condition. It's like a wallet. Oh, it has a little something over there. I don't know if y'all can read that. I don't think this is anything of note. It does have a small spot on the front. I will put this up. Probably could put this up for like, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 bucks. At least try and sell something. And then the last thing is tattoo socks. So, these retail for like $9, so obviously not much. Let me see, 3. Okay, there's exactly 10 pieces in here. I don't know that I'm going to make my money back on this box. So at least we know that that's that. That was interesting. Oh, put that back in there. Hopefully this next box will be better. Again, this is one of the reasons why these are fun. But you kind of have to go into it like one of the other gals on YouTube talks about, just expecting that you'll probably just barely make the money back in the box. And again, I don't know that I'm going to be doing these again anytime soon. This is one of those, again, where maybe 1 or 2 pieces kind of covers the box. The rest of it is just mishmash. So let's hopefully see what we have in this one. Hopefully we'll have some nicer things in this one. Okay. Glasses. Alright, let's see what we have here. We got some glasses. Let's pull these out and see if there are anything. Reading glasses, I'm sure. People do buy reading glasses. And these are, oh, Tiffany and Company. Okay. Is this something? I'll have to look these up. The lens is a little bit dusty, and as far as I can see, it does not look scratched up, so that might actually be something. That might actually cover both the boxes. But I will have to do some research on that because I don't want to think just because it says Tiffany and Company that's something special. Okay, these are some Hue socks. So I'll probably put these up for like maybe $10 or something and try and get a few dollars back. Okay, more socks. 2 Feet Dreamer, size small. So there's that. Hopefully we have a little bit more in here. Looking for a brand. Okay, this doesn't even have a brand on it. Why are they putting this stuff in here? This makes no sense. Maybe there's something on a tag. Oh, it is new with tags. Okay, Silk Mason. Maybe I was looking at the wrong side. Silk Mason, extra, extra small. So, yes, I will list this. See if I can try and get at least maybe $15, $20 for that. There's that. What else do we have here? This is a very big bra. Okay, now we're talking. Okay, Kakish. I've sold these before. This one is new with tags. And it is a size 48 triple D. So this is definitely going to be listed. This will definitely help cover things. It looks to be in good condition, even though it's white. I don't see anything major on it, so that is a great deal right there. Okay, we have a scarf, very pretty scarf, but no brand anywhere. So this is really pretty though. This will probably go in my garage sale. There is literally no tags on this anywhere, but it is really, really pretty. So this could be like a table centerpiece, or you could wear it as a scarf. So I will definitely put that in the garage sale and try and get maybe like $5 or $7 for it or something. Okay, here's a belt by no brand. I'm not even seeing anything. Oh, here's something on the back. Okay, Banana Republic cow leather. Okay, this is cow leather. Banana Republic, it's a pretty blue. It is new with tags. So I might try to put this up for like maybe $10. Okay, so we have some more socks. Smart wool, size large. This is an interesting box, y'all. Okay, I have, looks like 3 bags here. Lyle Sado, this is in a bag. So is this something? Or did they just put this in a bag just to put it in a bag? It doesn't even look very nicely made. Or maybe it is. I don't know. What is this? Lido. I'll have to do some research on this. This was in here. It's possible they even just put this in here to make it look like it was fancy, but there's nothing to it. I'll have to research that. We have a wallet. Okay, cut from the cloth wallet. It does look, no, it's not in good condition. It's got this here. So I will still list it, but I may only get like maybe $10 if I'm lucky. And then we have a Vera Bradley wallet. So this box was definitely better than the last one, but not by much. Because even something like this, maybe $15 if you're lucky. So that is the battle of the boxes for fun boxes. And again, this is going to be the last time that I do one of these for a while, I think. Honestly, I just really want to focus on some better things. Guys, this was fun. Obviously not really a lot to write home about unless a couple of those pieces were something. I'll have to do some research on those glasses. I will definitely research that headband that came in the bag. I will have to decide what all I'm going to do, and I don't know that I'm going to do a 90-day update on this just simply because I don't think it's worth doing an update on. If something in here is really nice and it sells, I'll try to definitely make note of it and maybe like a what sold video. But outside of that, but if you are new here, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're returning, you guys, those of you who've been watching me for a while and supporting me, you guys are the reasons why my channel is growing. And I just want to say thank you so much. I love sharing my journey here with you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do take a minute to just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when we are doing 90-day updates, unboxings, what sold, when we start doing garage sales again. Our reseller weekly chat. We've had such great conversation and all that, you guys. I do have some other types of platform content I'm already starting to think about. Some ideas for people who are kind of newer to reselling, or if we've been here for a while. Things about platforms maybe we need to talk about, specific videos like that. So do give us a follow so that you know when those are up. And guys, we'll see you in the next one. Take care.